I've started a dozen YouTube channels over the past few years. And if you'd asked me back then why they failed, I'd give you all sorts of reasons. The content wasn't good enough. The algorithm hated me. I just didn't find my audience. But now I know the real truth. The reason those channels never took off, although one was monetized, it wasn't the content, it wasn't the audience, it was me. Little old insecure me thinking I sucked because I wasn't getting enough traction or didn't get monetized in a couple of months and didn't have any viral video like I see many YouTubers do. I quit those channels not because I hated YouTube itself. No, I quit because I was hating the woman I was on YouTube. Every single video felt like a performance, trying to act like the person I thought they wanted to see and matching that with what I hoped would be a high income niche. The thing is, that approach burned me out faster than I could ever get any results. Imagine pouring in your heart and soul, your time, your energy, money, some even, into something that fundamentally feels fake. You're constantly trying to be someone else to embody a persona that isn't truly yours. It's exhausting, okay? And if you're a creator right now feeling that drain, that exhaustion, that constant feeling of not being enough, then you know exactly what I'm talking about. And let's be honest, who likes to watch AI fabricated content? Most of you don't. But then I had a revelation, and the main thing I learned from all those failures, something that absolutely cannot be copied, is something that is truly original. That is you, your authentic self. And here's the magic. If I am truly myself and genuinely like who I am, I will naturally gravitate towards content that fits me. Like what I'm doing right now, helping YouTubers blow up their business. Not by chasing trends, but with the passion and the confidence you need to dare to be original. Think about it. Almost anyone can use ChatGPT or AI tools to generate a script. And frankly, those tools are amazing for certain things, but when the person delivering that script, that is you, is reading words that don't align with your soul and your identity, you lift your heart out of it. And that's what makes us unique. And believe me, people can tell. They sense the disconnect. They feel that genuine lack of connection. And you as a YouTuber, you probably figured it out yourself. When you're editing yourself, you're thinking, who is that up there? You know it's you, but it's not really you. Humans have been sharing stories from the heart for ages. They didn't have computers back then, but they had connection, and that connection built credibility. When you share from your heart, you get the chance to truly connect with your audience. You wake up excited every day you're planning to work on your channel instead of it burning you out so much that you cannot even make your upload schedule. YouTube shouldn't feel like a mandatory chore, like your parents telling you to do the dishes. It should feel liberating. This is a creative space. Let's be ourselves. Let's be original. Be the channel that nobody else can copy. It is so fulfilling. And to be honest, I'm pretty fed up with myself from trying hard to pose instead of sharing my heart. This very script came out of my keyboard in 5 minutes. No factory-like system of steps and habits to repeat every single video. Just me sharing the truth. Now, if you're a creator and you recognize yourself in this, and if you agree that this is the way to do YouTube, then I want to work with you. There's a link below in the description to follow my website and look at my coaching and programs to see if we can work together and I can help you shine confidently on screen and off. Also, I'd love to hear from you. Leave a comment sharing your biggest struggle as a starting or early stage YouTuber. Like what's holding you back? Because your insights will help me make videos that truly help you combat those challenges. So let's build your channel from the inside out.